Hello everyone, I thought I would hop on here while I was doing my nighttime NIRA routine to show you all how easy it is. I'm using the NIRA Pro Plus laser. It's maximum wrinkle reduction. If you're familiar with the NIRA laser, the new Pro Plus laser has 50% more power and it's 35% faster than the NIRA Pro. The NIRA Pro Plus is FDA cleared. It's simple to use. It takes me only about 5 minutes in the evening to do my full face and neck. I love NIRA because it stimulates natural collagen production, and I love it because I can see the results myself. NIRA is so good, it offers a 90-day money-back guarantee because once you start using it, you will be hooked. The results speak for themselves.